In front of me is iPhone 16 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Emergency SOS. Over here. Now scroll all the way down to tap on Set up Emergency Contacts in Health. Click on Add next to Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact. Now tap on the one that you wish to add. Select the relationship status. And then do exactly the same with all the other contacts you need. If you wish to delete one of them, use Remove button on the left of the chosen one and hit Delete on the right. When you finished, select Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!